Biotin, one of Glucotrust's ingredients. A daily dose of biotin can help your body to convert food into energy and metabolize carbs, fats, and proteins more effectively. The biotin you get in every Glucotrust capsule also promotes healthy hair and skin while supporting your liver, eyesight, and nervous system. Health benefits of biotin. Also known as vitamin H, biotin is one of the B-complex vitamins that help the body convert food into energy. The word biotin comes from the ancient Greek word biotos, which means life or sustenance. B vitamins, and specifically biotin, help keep your skin, hair, eyes, liver, and nervous system healthy. Biotin is also a crucial nutrient during pregnancy, as it's important for embryonic growth. Most people get the biotin they need from eating a healthy diet, but there have been many claims that getting more biotin can regulate your blood sugar, promote healthy hair, skin, and nails, and help pregnant moms have healthier babies. How much biotin is enough, where can you get it, and what can it really do for you? Recommended daily allowance. Between 30 and 100 micrograms mcg per day of biotin is often recommended for adolescents and adults. Because it's water-soluble, extra biotin will simply pass through your body when you urinate. There are no known toxicity symptoms associated with too much biotin. Supplements and diabetes. Some research, including this animal study, suggests that people with type 2 diabetes may benefit from taking biotin supplements to help regulate blood glucose levels. According to another study performed on animals, biotin may help prevent kidney damage in people with insulin-dependent type 1 diabetes. Healthy hair, skin, and nails? Biotin deficiencies are rare. But because people with a deficiency often show symptoms of hair loss or a scaly red rash, some doctors and supplement companies recommend increasing your intake. Natural sources of biotin. Biotin can also be found in a number of foods, including egg yolk, organ meats, liver, kidney, nuts like almonds, peanuts, pecans, and walnuts, nut butters, soybeans and other legumes, whole grains and cereals, cauliflower, bananas, mushrooms. Because food processing techniques like cooking can render biotin ineffective, raw or less processed versions of these foods contain more active biotin. It's always best to get nutrients from natural sources. If you're unable to get enough biotin naturally, a supplement may be suggested by your doctor.